How to find draft post on Facebook. So if you want to find a draft post on your Facebook, then first open up your Facebook application, go for what's on your mind, and then you can write something like, for example, I'll be writing hi, and then you can go back, and here it will ask you if you want to save as a draft. Tap on save as a draft, and once you save that as a draft, now here on the upper side you will have this kind of interface where you will have your draft was saved. So what you need to do is simply tap on that to make some changes, and here you will have all of your draft. So your draft will be expired within 3 days. So if you want to edit something or if you want to post your draft, then you need to simply do that within 3 days, because after 3 days it will be removed or deleted. So after saving something as a draft, you will get the notification, and once you tap on the notification, it will take you to the draft. So that's how you can find draft post on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.